Right, back with you. Let's begin here now. Chief Justice Raymond Zondo has lamented the lack of women as heads of courts. He was speaking during the launch of the revived Aspirant Women Judges Programme. The programme has taken candidates who will now receive a 12-month training. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi was there and filed this report.
The judges on the bench in South Africa are women, but female representation is significantly low when it comes to the leadership positions in the judiciary. Chief Justice Raymond Zondo concedes that this is definitely not where the judiciary should be.
The leadership of the judiciary at the moment has only two women who are heads of court. And that includes the latest appointment of the Judge President of the KZN division that I talked about. I've said that we have two now, but one of them is in an acting position and has been acting for more than 10 years. That is the acting Judge President of the Land Claims Court, which actually means we have only one who is appointed. Obviously, it's a totally unsatisfactory situation.
15 candidates have enrolled with the Aspirant Women Judges Programme and will undergo 12 months of training, which will include theoretical and practical components led by judges and retired judges.
During the last 6 months or so, the candidates will then be placed in different divisions of the High Court where they will be able to observe judges in active service, experienced judges, hear cases and deal with cases and interact with them. And it doesn't necessarily mean that once you have successfully completed the program, you then become entitled to be appointed as a judge.
Candidates for the program, which is conducted by the South African Judicial Education Institute, were last enrolled in 2007. Its inception was spearheaded by the former Justice Minister, Mnisi.
You will see that it has taken about 15 years for us to have this second program. That is a long time. We should have had other programs of a similar nature over the past 15 years. And it is not as if thought was not given to having such programs during this period, nor is the position that no efforts were made to have similar programs over this period. Indeed, efforts and serious efforts were made because the first program had been a great success. But one of the most serious challenges that stood in the way was funding for the program.
Justice Zondo has also called for the renaming of the program to the Mnisi Aspirant Women Judges Programme in honor of the former minister. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi in Madrid.